Sizwe noma frequency. Yay, Naiva labels, whatever.
What the?
This is very, and I'm gonna be talking about last season. Everybody's talking about last season, so why not write the last season with change for likes and views? Okay, so what I'm saying is last season is funny. I mean, there's a lot of people who think he's not funny. He is funny. If you're saying he's not funny, explain the numbers of retweets, the numbers of likes, the numbers of comments he gets. He gets those numbers. He has those numbers. We want those numbers. We don't have those numbers. He has them. How? Because it's funny. His content delivers. Comedy is a subjective thing. Like what you might find funny, I may not. So that's how it works. I mean, people wouldn't watch something that doesn't give them what they want. I mean, obviously his content has value. Whether we be like, hey, he stole it or he has the content that it's like, so you can't say the guy is not funny. I mean, Suzo's content is chuckle with. I mean, it might get a laugh out of you. Will obviously trends all the time and is smart about it. He can work the media. He knows how to make people talk about him. This is essentially all you need to be famous. Have people always talking about you. Keep on being relevant. He knows how to play the game of fame. His sister is just smart about it, but he knows how to play the game of fame. Even if we invite Togo's award shows, he always does something controversial. Cedric, he went with Cedric pretending to be a couple, and the other year he went with some other guy pretending to be a couple with him. But he likes using that plate card. And then in this recent award show he went wearing some leotard messenger showing off his bulge because but I constantly on us and we keep on falling for them, tweeting for him, thinking about him, making him relevant. He does that on his own with his content because his content is always trending. He has over 140 followers subscribers on YouTube. He has numbers. I mean, Instagram he has 500,000 followers. I don't know who Twitter what he has, but one thing is the guy knows how to play the game of fame. He's funny. Then is funny. I won't say he's funny because he steals, but where do we? It's none of our business, but he puts out content that's actually funny. That's why he has those numbers. He's only gonna get bigger because he's already had a reality show Yake, which is probably gonna be picked up for another season and is gonna be even more serious. So stop hating on the guy. Do it bang. But what I'm saying is the guy is doing the most, the guy is doing the things, and a win for any creator is a win for all of us. He has numbers, he has money, because companies look at his numbers and they're like, okay, promote this for us, we're gonna give you this, and it works out. The guy knows how to play the game. What we can do is just learn from him. Stop saying he's not funny, because, I mean, obviously he is. He wouldn't be as big as he is if he wasn't.